Buongiorno e benvenuti, I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate and I'm here today to show you this medieval hamlet for sale in Chianti. Check it out! Today we are in the Chianti area near Gaiole in Chianti, which is between Florence and Siena. Il Chianti has a one-of-a-kind landscape with its rolling hills, covered in vineyards and olive groves, and produces some of the most renowned wines that are loved and appreciated internationally, just like Il Chianti Classico. We are now at the end of the wine harvesting. That goes from the beginning of September to the beginning of October. The property has 7 hectares of vineyard featuring Sangiovese and Merlot vines. On site, it has its own private cantina and they take care of everything, from maintaining the vines to the bottling of the wine, and produce a delicious Chianti Classico. Now, let's go and see the cantina. All the wines produced from this cantina are organic. As soon as we enter, we have the first area, which is dedicated to the fermentation of the wine. This space is dedicated to the wine's aging process in these wooden barrels. And also the cantina offers the possibility to adopt a barrel, so also you can feel like a small wine producer. And last but not least, this is where they bottle the wine. Before we continue, let me tell you a little bit about the property. The property is 1,500 square meters, has 20 bedrooms, a wine club for wine tastings, a restaurant, a cantina for wine and olive oil production, and a wellness area. It's surrounded by 15 hectares, featuring an olive grove, a vineyard, 4.5 hectares of woods, 2 swimming pools, a private garden, tennis court, private lake, and parking area. For those of you who are new to our channel or haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Ma ora, venite con me. Opposite to the cantina and surrounded by the vineyards is this first dépendance, which has maximum privacy and you can really enjoy the silence and tranquility of nature. It has its own sunbathing area with jacuzzi tub made in travertino, which is connected to an external and covered patio with sitting area and a dining table. This is the most particular of the suites. Wine is a common theme throughout the property. For example, the base that elevates the bed looks just like a wine barrel, and the bed is positioned to look onto the window that has a breathtaking view over the vineyards, so you can wake up mesmerized every single morning and ready to start the day. It has an exterior bathtub with adjacent rain shower and a toilet. But it doesn't miss those typical Tuscan features, just like the exposed rock on the walls and the exposed wooden beam ceilings. But now, follow me because we still have a lot more to see. We are slowly approaching the center of the hamlet. Here we are in a part of the private garden that offers a variety of sitting areas and could be the perfect venue to host a wedding. Many different types of trees and plants adorn this lovely space, such as olive trees, cypresses, and pomegranate trees. The garden is connected to two panoramic terraces. From these, we have a breathtaking view over the property's vineyards and the surrounding landscape of the Tuscan countryside, which is beautiful. Next to the vineyard is the property's olive grove that counts 1,200 olive trees. So on site, the estate does not only produce a delicious Chianti classico, but also its own olio extravergine d'oliva. Autumn in Tuscany is such a rich season. You have the wine production and olive oil production, two of my favorite things. In fact, I can say that since I've been living here, autumn is definitely my favorite season. Here's the second dépendance that has its own external patio with sunbathing area and sitting area that overlook the gorgeous olive grove and is surrounded by typical cypresses. This space has been skillfully renovated. The room has a queen-size bed, its own bathroom with rain shower, and interesting enough, his and her sinks inside the room. I love how the windows frame the hardwood door that look onto this lovely fireplace. This is a true lover's retreat. If you're not interested in a romantic getaway but just want to relax with your friends and family, then that's fine, because the bedroom has a communicating door that opens up onto the second part of the building, becoming an apartment with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. From this external sitting area, we have a direct access onto a first swimming pool with sunbathing area. Here's the third and last independent guest house. It has its own sunbathing area and sitting area that overlook the breathtaking countryside with its vineyards and olive groves. The colors and tones used in this room are light and neutral. The bed overlooks a lovely fireplace, and the bathroom has its own rain shower. Also in this case, the door has a double function and is also used as a window to let in natural light. Stiamo per vedere il centro di questo borgo medievale, a cui furono fatti degli interventi di restauro che hanno permesso di mantenere l'aspetto così tipico della tradizione italiana, con facciate in pietra esposta, senza però rinunciare a tutti i comfort moderni, che rendono questa proprietà unica, circondati da questo contesto idilliaco. This common area looks onto this gorgeous fireplace and has a breathtaking view over the surrounding countryside. Also, the cotto ceilings with exposed wooden beams match these beautiful cotto floors. This common area connects us to 4 bedrooms. Let's go check out one. Here is the different type of bedroom that the property offers. Also here, the colors used are neutral and lighter. Some original details were maintained, and looking outside the window, we can see the colors of autumn. It reminds me a little bit of autumn in Canada when the leaves on the maple trees became all red. I just love it. Opposite to the bedroom is the bathroom with LED lighting and rain shower. And here on the upper floor, we have another sleeping area with window that looks onto the common space. We are on the ground floor, and as mentioned, wine is a constant theme throughout the property. Just like this bed that is barrel themed, which overlooks a lovely fireplace and has its own bathroom. But speaking of wine, I want to show you the wine club. Opposite to the bedroom is the wine club. This room reminds me a little bit of a winter garden with these large windows on both sides. Here you can do wine and olive oil tastings. Everything that is produced on the property is certified organic. Exposed, we can see the different types of wine that the property produces, but also this room can be rented for private dinners and events. Other than that, another service offered is wine therapy, which is an ancient practice that dates back to the ancient Romans and Greek that found that the antioxidants in red wine had beneficial and invigorating properties for your skin. We are now approaching the estate's restaurant, which has this external dining area where you can enjoy a pleasant meal during the warmer months. The restaurant offers typical Tuscan cuisine with regional delicacies. I like how they use a window/door to let in a lot of natural light. Behind me is a functioning brick fireplace. The first time I saw this space, it felt like traveling through time. Reminds me of an antique tavern. I love the exposed rock on the walls and the arched ceilings. It's beautiful. This room is well connected to the professional kitchen and also has an access towards the outside where we can find another dining area. I mean, just look at this table. Imagine having a romantic candlelight dinner with your loved one. I would just love that. Right below the wine club is this lovely garden with a variety of dining tables and sitting areas, perfect for leisurely moments. This space is well connected to the swimming pool area that we're going to go and check out right now. And this is the main swimming pool of the property, with sunbathing area, ideal to cool off during the warm summer months. In addition to the swimming pool, the property also features a tennis court, which is ideal for fitness lovers. And it also has a private lake. You can really feel the tranquility of this location, as we are really in the heart of Chianti. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. I can't wait to see what you thought about this property. On that note, Ciao!